Hey you guys, so I wanted to show you how to optimize your Facebook page cover photo so that you don't look like a total noob. And what I mean is there are two different sizes for your cover photo. One is for the desktop version of your website, and the other is for the mobile version of your website. And they're not the same size. So what I'm seeing happen is when people upload something that's more than just, say, an image, like it has text on it, when I look at it on the mobile version, the text is cut off. So I'm going to just show you really fast why that happens. And in this post, there's a JPEG template that shows you the two different sizes. I'm going to show you the super fast trick so that you don't have to create both of those. So the size for, the size for the desktop version of your cover photo is 820 pixels by 312 pixels. And the mobile version is 820 pixels, and that's the width, by 461 pixels high. So the mobile version is taller than the desktop version. And I'm going to show you up here. I'm just going to fool around with this. So if you size your cover photo just to the desktop version, it's going to crop it in width-wise because it can't make it any taller. So in order to make it taller, it has to crop it in. And that's where you're losing some of your text. So if I come in here and pick a photo, you'll notice I can move this up and down, right? I don't know how many of you have seen that already. And you can get it to look exactly the way you want it on your Facebook page. What I would recommend is don't even fool around with the desktop size. Size your images to 820 pixels wide by 461 pixels tall. And so you're optimizing for mobile first. And this is the thing, you need to optimize for mobile first these days because the majority of people are accessing, especially social media pages, from their mobile devices. So you want to make sure it looks good there and think about the desktop version later. So we think about the mobile version, we size it for the mobile version, and then you adjust it when you upload it to your desktop. I would upload it on your desktop and not your mobile to make sure that the resolution is good for desktop and that it's going to display well when you move it around. So I would move it around here and get it the way you want it on desktop, and then save it and go check it out on your mobile device, your tablets, your cell phone, and I think you'll see what I'm talking about there. And as far as that goes, that's size it for the mobile version. Don't even size it for desktop anymore. Don't worry about it, because if you're making it taller, that's going to give you the wiggle room to adjust it up and down. You see how I've got a lot more image here? So when on the mobile version, I'm going to show you really fast. I have a screenshot that I'm going to show you in just a second. So this is in Photoshop, and this is a comparison of, up here you see my desktop version where it's a lot shorter. You see less of this logo than you do on the mobile version right here. So if you have text, if you've sized this and you have text way out here or even in a little ways, it's going to crop that in because your image isn't tall enough to just show more, vertically. So hopefully that makes tons of sense to you. I want you to download the template in my post and work on your cover photos. And you can always message me if you want a little bit of help, need a little bit of advice on that. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it was helpful, and we'll see you next time.